Hey guys, what's up? So to be sharing top best cherry trees for iOS 11, 12, and 13 up to 13.7. Some of these do support iOS 14. The first one is called Checkra1n, and basically it's iOS 14 indicator dots for iOS 13. So depending on the dot, it tells you, what's basically in use. So blue is GPS in use, orange is microphone in use, green is camera in use. So, and this tweet does not support, this tweet does support devices with no notch. So, like I said, it tells you what's being used. This is called vol skip 11. This tweet's called vol skip 11. Skip tracks by holding the volume buttons. Play pause by holding both volume buttons. This tweet's called Tenmetsu. Adds these new controls to the internal section of the flashlight. So SOS sends an SOS message to the Morse code and flashes of the flashlight. You need to finish the nine flash messages loop before you turn off. Strobe, the classic strobe effect to attract attention. Timer. Turn on your flashlight and forget to turn it off. The timer will do it for you. If you long press the control, you set the number of seconds. The timer will reset instantly if you press the control again. So pretty cool. This is called Spot CC. Will bring up the control center instead of Spotlight and perform the swipe down gesture on the home screen. No options to configure. No screenshots. This is called Easy Swipe. Gives your hand a reset by using gestures instead. Rest. So this tweak lets you customize the swipe down gesture on the home screen. Screen mode to perform different actions based on which side of the screen of the gesture is performed. This is called Settings Collapse, expand or hide individual sections in the Settings app. This is called Musicer, and basically tweets for the YouTube Music app. Tested by my good friend Stengrid. This is called Wild Lotus, Lotus Dark for unthemed icons. This is called Curiouser 2. And new and revisited version of Curiouser brings and adding with the other options like showing us the current temperature, current conditions, and current location in real times as your carrier. This is called Files of File Manager. File Manager for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, supports iOS 7 and up. And this is called Apps Manager. The tool provides a way to wipe, backup, restore app data for installed apps. And this is called iPlugs, suppress banners and apps. So block notifications, banners, in the apps you choose. So if any notifications were blocked, iPlugs will hopefully remind you to check your notification center once you switch apps. This is called Watchdog Lite. It's a light trial version of Watchdog. It allows the application to run in the background. It can be used for downloading large files, Twitch TV background audio streaming, upload large files, prevent applications from suspending, such as smartwatch or WhatsApp, keeping games loaded while using other applications, and much more. So auto launch, activator support, allowing applications to support while running the background after termination. Allowing backgrounding of more than two applications at the same time, and much more. So let's see. It does work on iOS 12. Let's see about iOS 13. It does not work on iOS 13. This is called DNS Crypt, tool for securing communication between a client and a DNS resolver. This is called Gizmo DNS, and basically allows DNS settings for 3G Wi-Fi. This is called Prefix UI, support package for laughing quote tweets. This is called Assistive Touch X. Replaces the default Assistive Touch icons with the ones from the iPhone X. So this tweak modifies the system application while it is safe and tested. Install your own risk. This is called Emoji Port. iOS 12 to 14.1. Latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14.1. This is called Emoji Attributes. Various under hood, fixes for emoji display. So this is called Snowboards. Theme and tweak for iOS 7 and up. This is called Record Pause, and basically with this tweak it allows you to pause and resume video after recording in the stock camera app. So you can basically hold down here, and then you can basically, that yellow pop-up means it pause. So you can pause. Apple really said this feature, but I don't know why they didn't. But it allows you to, instead of like keeping, if you want to do like multiple videos, right? You're vlogging, YouTubers, really good for people who make videos, because it makes it a lot easier to edit, because instead of you just, pressing it, record, and then to stop it, and then record and stop it, this allows you just to, pause it, and then you can resume, pause and resume. So a lot more convenient. This is called Deficient, and basically it's a tweak for the YouTube app. It does support the latest version of YouTube as of this recording. on November, what's today? November 11th, Veterans Day. You get these features right here for the YouTube app. This is called Tint Icon Label. It gives you the opportunity to get custom colors for the text and highlight of your icons labels. And the last tweak is called CC Timizer. And basically, this tweak, you have more than 50 features to customize your phone. Add time and date for control center, change the size and color of it. Custom default app for media and CC. Control center no blur. Disable control center updates when enables or updates Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. You have status bar features, notification center, switcher, lock screen, spotlight, system, ads blocker. So it speeds up ads on apps and games, removes ads, which is actually pretty cool. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.